India is the world leader in the production of black tiger shrimp. Majority of the farmed shrimps are exported to different countries, and they demand the highest quality for their imports. Our farmers have to be aware of these quality standards and must ensure that the shrimps they produce are of the quality that is demanded by the importing countries. Globally, consumers are aware of food safety standards and thereby they demand best quality products. Shrimp is a highly perishable commodity and easily deteriorated by unhygienic handling and abrupt changes in environmental parameters. Therefore, farmers must take utmost care in the culture and harvest of shrimps in order to earn good price for their products. The major reasons for shrimp spoilage are enzymatic reaction, microbial action, biochemical changes. Black spot formation is an indicator of improper handling and poor icing. The essential infrastructures required for a shrimp farm are: a pond should have a harvesting gate or a suitable system to complete the harvesting process within 5 hours. Slope should be provided from the inner side of the pond towards the gate to catch shrimps by net alone. This minimizes contamination by handling. If the pond has no proper outlet or slope at the gate, adequate pumps should be provided. Proper toilet and bathroom facilities should be provided for feed boys and harvesting workers in the shrimp farm. Before harvesting, the following steps have to be taken carefully. Massive water exchange should be done to induce molting. Harvest should be done 3 to 4 days after this and when feed consumption is at its peak, which will ensure clean and healthy shrimp with higher body weight. Do not use disinfectants or chemicals immediately before harvest. Adopt good management practices to avoid emergency harvest. Assess the shrimp average body weight and molting by cast net sampling. Molting should not be more than 5%. In order to avoid last-minute confusion, price of the shrimp should be fixed for each grade after consultation with the buyer well in advance. Always prefer cool hours, either evening or night, for harvest. This reduces the melting of ice and reddening of shrimps. Tide timings and the time gap between high and low tide should be calculated. Harvest should be carried out only during the low tide period. Sufficient quantity of ice should be stored in the farm before the actual harvest process starts. Use crushed ice made of good quality water for icing. Before harvest, the shrimp should be tested in MPEDA authorized ELISA lab for antibiotics. Remember, without the certificate, exporters will not buy the shrimps. Strict personal hygiene should be maintained throughout the harvest. Persons suffering from contagious diseases, skin ailments and burns should not enter the farm. Smoking, spitting, chewing pan, eating food, consuming alcohol, etc. at the harvesting site and farm premises should be strictly prohibited. Waste materials should be deposited only in places specifically allotted for